Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market to make your life easier and more comfortable. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of office furniture that can revolutionize your workspace, the Frassie 28-inch office chair metal base replacement. This is not just any chair base. It's considered the best swivel base for chairs, and I'll tell you why. When it comes to office chairs, a sturdy and reliable base is crucial. The Frassie chair base is crafted from high-quality metal, ensuring stability and durability. With a diameter of 28 inches, this heavy-duty base is designed to accommodate a variety of office chairs, including gaming chairs, executive chairs, and task chairs. What sets this base apart is its universal compatibility, featuring a cylinder diameter of 50 mm and a universal caster socket size, making it a versatile option for most chairs on the market. One of the standout features of this chair base is its smooth and quiet movement, thanks to precision ball bearings in its casters. This means you can swivel and roll around your workspace without the annoying squeaks or scratches on your floors. It's safe for all types of flooring, so whether you're on hardwood, tile, or carpet, this base will not cause any damage. The package includes not only the metal chair base but also 5 high-quality casters and a universal gas lift cylinder. The gas lift cylinder, rated as Class 3, offers a generous stroke of 4.7 inches, allowing for easy height adjustments to suit your comfort. This feature is particularly useful for people who spend long hours at their desks, ensuring you can find the perfect seating position to promote good posture. Another impressive aspect is the weight capacity. This metal base can support up to 2,500 pounds, making it incredibly robust and reliable. You won't have to worry about wobbling or instability, even during intense gaming sessions or lengthy work hours. Installation is straightforward, and the hardware mounting kit provided makes it easy for anyone to set up. Even if you're not particularly handy, you can have your new chair base installed in no time, allowing you to get back to work or gaming. Now, if you're looking for a replacement base for an old chair that's seen better days, or if you're building a custom chair setup, the Frassie chair base is an excellent investment. It combines functionality, durability, and versatility, making it a favorite among office workers and gamers alike. In conclusion, the Frassie 28-inch office chair metal base replacement stands out as the best swivel base for chairs due to its robust construction, universal compatibility, and ease of installation. If you're in the market for a chair base that promises longevity and excellent performance, look no further. You can find the Frassie chair base on Amazon and elevate your seating experience to a whole new level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, stay comfortable.